learn how to grow money. Learn from people who already achieved what you want. What you want. Already multiple people achieved, man. Learn from them. Don't hesitate to learn that wisdom. Okay? What do success people know that I have not yet learned? What success people, what they know, what I didn't know, always going to question yourself. That thing must be required. Okay? So, one serious example, let me put into our software engineers example, Manoj and Arvind. The same story, Manoj scenario and Arvind scenario. Observe that Manoj, he is a sincere man. He is the sincere. He goes to the office daily. He completes his assigned work. He respects his job. He is a very hardworking person. Every day is going to the office. Every day is going to the office. He goes to the office daily. He completed all his work. He is the most sincere person. But every month, same story happens. What is that story is? Salary comes, EMI goes, bills go, shopping goes, food expenses go. By month end, balance income, okay, balance becomes almost zero. Okay, what about his feeling is, my salary is not enough. So, your thoughts are going to come into the picture. Array, do you have any investments? No, just my salary is not enough. Company is not giving proper hike. Okay, life is becoming costly. I'm working so much, but nothing is left. Rich people are lucky. Like we are always going to feel in this style. How many times? If I ask you, Ray, do you have any savings? Out of 100, 90% of the people are telling, no, no savings. Arey, why, ra? Why? Like the common answer from them is, Arey, my salary is not up to the mark. I'm getting just only 1 lakh only. But 1 lakh, kids' education, house rent, EMIs, da. So that's why, sorry, I'm not in a position to save. No savings. Savings is a impossible word for me. Then when you are going to save? My kids' education is going to be completed very soon. But then onwards, I will start saving. Or otherwise, tomorrow or by next year, I will get promotion. My salary is going to be hiked. Then I will start savings. Okay, like all these nonsense thinking. Even if the salary become 1 crore per month also instead of 1 lakh per month, he's always going to wait at the end of the month for the next salary. Believe me, here the problem is not is low salary. The problem is not giving good hike, okay, by the company. No, that is not the problem. The problem is not is hard work. The problem is not is a skill. The problem is not having financial knowledge. He don't know how the money works. Just because of the plain, just the lack of that skill only, this person is going to struggle his lifetime. Remember that carefully.